Hi guys, welcome to the new video of how to tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use Snapchat on your PC. Previously, in order to use Snapchat on your PC, you would have to download its app. However, now Snapchat is also available on web. So to use it, just open up your browser. Then you have to type snapchat.com on your search bar. Then you will be in an interface something like this. You have to tap on log into chat. You will need to log into your Snapchat account by typing in your username first, and you will get a notification in your phone to verify it's you logging in. You just need to tap on the notification on Snapchat on your phone and you will be logged in instantly. Once you are logged in into your account, it's pretty much the same of mobile phone. The only downside of using Snapchat on website is that you cannot open up snaps. So you can see this is the snap I have received. So I cannot open it using website. It says open up app in mobile to view. So that's the thing with Snapchat website, that you cannot open snaps. But other than that, kinds of snaps, you can open up photos and videos that have been sent to you, and you can also initiate a chat. Now if you want to take snaps on your PC, you should turn on the microphone and camera. Click on the locked option on the top left. You will need to toggle these options on. Once you turned on camera, reload the page and make sure you have toggled the option on. So this is how you use Snapchat on your PC. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.